life never stops. Russia, a country built not on comfort, but on endurance. Here, children grow differently. From a young age, they learn patience, discipline, and silence. Not because they are forced, but because survival demands it. Winter teaches resilience. Summer teaches movement. In classrooms, education is not about speed. It is about depth. Students are trained to think longer, focus deeper, and solve harder problems. This is the foundation of powerful minds. From scientists who explored the unknown to engineers who built machines that defied limits. Russia's strength comes from pressure. In 1961, the world changed forever when Yuri Gagarin left Earth aboard Vostok 1. It was not luck. It was preparation. Even today, space technology continues to evolve. Children are inspired not just to dream, but to achieve. They learn independence early, respect deeply, and endure silently. Because in this country, knowledge is not optional, it is survival. The truth is simple. Power is not loud, it is built quietly over time, and Russia has been building it for generations. Follow now, because the next country will reveal a completely different truth.
Сначала дисциплина. Она скрыта, но всегда первой.